Ange McCauley was 11 when the ABC met her family for a story on vulnerable families. Even then, the little girl had a secret. She'd been sexually abused at 6. Her stepfather was later convicted.
I've carried all these, big burdens that weren't even mine.
The trauma triggered a lifetime of mental health problems, substance abuse and self-harm as a teen through to postnatal depression.
Flashbacks, they can come in at the most inappropriate times. And then you're back in that moment and then you're trying to struggle, you feel guilt and shame.
A University of Sydney study has now drawn a direct link between childhood abuse and neglect and the mental health crisis. The study, covering 54,000 people, found childhood maltreatment accounted for 41% of suicide attempts, 35% of self-harm cases, and 21% of those with depression.
These results tell us just how many people are suffering from mental health conditions that are potentially preventable.
Researchers are calling for a mental health immunisation schedule to help identify and deal with abuse and neglect early.
We know there are effective home visitation programs and parent education programs that provide support to parents who may be struggling and have shown to reduce rates of child abuse and neglect down the track.
Mental health advocates want more funding aimed at prevention.
We're supporting families after the fact rather than trying to prevent child maltreatment from occurring in the first place.
And all my baby photos.
Angela's trying to break the cycle with her own teens, but says it takes community support.
That one there of me.
Alison Branley, ABC News.